Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, installed app, account, and permissions. Open Focus and sign in, then create or import a profile so settings persist. Once done, set core preferences, language, time zone, and autosave interval so nothing is lost. Next, link calendar and cloud storage. Make sure notifications are allowed so alerts arrive. This gets you into the workspace immediately, letting you perform the first actionable tasks without delay and with predictable behavior across devices. You'll now build the core workflow that you'll use every day. Create task categories and tags, assign priority rules, and map colors so items are scannable. This reduces decision time. Then establish timers and focus sessions and automate transitions so you shift context smoothly. Make sure integrations are configured, intelligent email rules, project APIs, and keyboard shortcuts. Once these are active, work flows predictably. You'll understand why each mapping saves minutes and prevents context switching. Finish by running a short pilot session to validate syncing, timers, and notifications. Export a backup and set autosave to a frequent interval, like 1 to 5 minutes, so changes are safe. Once done, tidy shortcuts and finalize templates you'll reuse. If something goes wrong, sync errors, or missing items, clear the app cache, re-authenticate the linked account, and re-establish integration links. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, replicate the error and contact support with a clear log.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.